What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And as you can probably see, it is a beautiful day today. It's not quite springtime yet, but it sure feels like it.
Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there.
And we've been spending a lot of time with Christy's family as we've stayed here in Maryland. And one of our favorite things to do as a family is outdoor happy hours. Get some sun on our skin, get some fresh air in our lungs, and just really enjoy some time together as a family. And with happy hour comes snacks. And one of the best snacks to have, in our opinion,
oh yes,
is chips and salsa.
But homemade chips and salsa.
Homemade chips and salsa. So today I will be making homemade chips and a roasted salsa.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
The last thing you want to do when it's time for happy hour is wait for snacks. So this is a great recipe because it's quick and easy. I've got my oil heating up in our cast iron skillet on the griddle, and while we are waiting for that to get hot, I'm going to get all of our vegetables for our salsa on the griddle to roast. I've got some tomatoes cut into quarters. I've got some red onion, also quartered, some white onion. We've got some jalapenos hiding down there. We got a few cloves of garlic, and we've also got some cilantro. I've got our griddle set to low. The idea here is to roast our vegetables before making the salsa. This is just gonna add more flavor, add a bit of a smoky, charred flavor to the salsa, and it's going to taste really, really good with our homemade chips. All right, while our oil is heating and our veggies are roasting, I've got some white and yellow corn tortillas here that I'm going to make our chips out of.
Did you just sharpen that knife today?
I did not.
No, looks like it's cutting quite well.
It is. All right, and now when our oil is hot, these will go right in there.
Best thing about the griddle, cleans up real easy.
That's right. It'll be easy to scrape those bits up, put them
Right into the
into
salsa.
the salsa. All right, our oil is up to temperature. We've got it at just about 350, which is perfect. So I'm going to start dropping our first round of chips in. White one's in there too. I don't want to overcrowd the oil so the chips have enough room to cook. And they only take a couple minutes. You just need to keep an eye on your oil temperature, make sure it stays between 350 and 360, and it will be good to go. All right, I've got the chips on this tray with a paper towel to dry, but before they completely dry and cool down, I want to get them nice and salted.
All right, I'll admit it. We each tried one of the first batch, and they were delicious. You shushed me, and I got
delicioso.
delicioso.
Our veggies are looking fantastic, and I think it's time to make the salsa. So this is nice and easy. We're just going to take all of our roasted veggies and stick them right back in the bowl. Blistered jalapenos. Now for our tomatoes.
Smells really good.
Before we get to blending our salsa, I'm going to put the juice of a lime in. A nice juicy lime.
It was.
Get a nice bunch of cilantro here. Now for our seasonings. First off, we're going to throw some salt in there. We've got some chili powder, a little bit of red pepper flake because we like it spicy, some cumin, and some paprika. All right, so I've got our stick blender here.
We're all going to be wearing this. Happy hour is about to commence. These look awesome.
Smells really good.
So good.
I'm excited for this.
Super quick. I mean, the only thing you have to do is just kind of like wash, rinse, repeat with the with the chips.
Yep, and it's super easy.
Oh, look who came to join us.
You ready to get in here,
here
buddy?
and try some. Wow.
That's good, huh?
The chips are delicious.
The chips are nice.
We
and
like
crunchy.
salty chips, so you did great salting them.
Yep.
That roasted salsa, you can really taste that roast flavoring.
Yeah.
That was really
adds an extra level.
elevates the salsa.
Yeah. All right, we are gonna go enjoy some chips and salsa and some happy hour beverages We hope you are doing the same wherever you are. Definitely give this one a try because it's super tasty and super easy. Thanks for watching. As always, check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and click that bell icon on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, Betty, CJ, Matt, Bruce, Taylor, and us. I was like, wait, did I say somebody wrong?
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.